Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a Sephora spring sale haul. I qualified to shop today as a rouge and I thought maybe you guys would like to see what I picked up. This video is in no way sponsored. This is just what I bought. Some of these are restock items for things that I ran out of or am getting low on. Others are brand new items that I've been dying to try, and saving 20% just seemed like the perfect time. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, please like this video, and I'd love it so much if you subscribe so I could see you in my next video. Without further ado, let's get started. So I ran to Sephora this afternoon. In fact, I had put all of my items in a cart for pickup. And when I got to Sephora, they said it wasn't ready and all their systems had gone down. Also bad for them of all the days for their system to go down, and they were having a hard time trying to fill the online orders. And I said, well, don't worry about it. I'll just cancel that order and go ahead through the store and pick up the items that I wanted. So I just went through my list of things that I had already purchased. I was really excited to be able to shop today. Today is Friday, April 5th, and as a Rouge member, I was able to go ahead and shop and save myself 20% on everything I picked up and 30% off any Sephora brand items. Some of them I needed, some of them I wanted. Either way, we did some damage. So I did pick up this Forever Glow Skin. This is a repurchase for me. I was so low for this as a primer, and it is so hydrating. I have super dry skin and I can't live without this one. And I'm not joking when I say I needed to restock it. Do you see? I mean, I don't think that's a week's worth left in there. It's so low. And so I thought, you know what? Sephora sale. I need one. I also picked up some lip products, which I get so excited about lip products. I think they're just my favorite. I love lipsticks. I love lip glosses. And lately I've been obsessed. So these are the Fenty Beauty, and I got two shades. I got the Sweet Mouth, and I also got the Champ Stamp Fantasy. I'm pretty sure these are new shades. At least they're new to me. And when I saw these, I was like, yes, please give me all the shine. One, oh my goodness, the color, are you kidding me? It's like this beautiful peachy shade. And then here we have this almost golden. I'll try to swatch them for you. I am no expert, but this is the Champ Stamp Fantasy, and beautiful doe foot applicator, and just beautiful. It does have a little bit of glitter in there. If that's something you don't like, avoid this one. I don't mind it at all. And this is the Sweet Mouth, and it's definitely this beautiful pinky shade, and it is so pretty. I don't feel like that one has glitter. That one does. Both beautiful. I have this Makeup by Mario. I wasn't gonna get it, and then I was watching Tati yesterday, and she said this was the best matte palette, and I thought, you know what, I'm gonna get it. It is smaller than I thought it was gonna be. Anyone else feel that way? But oh my goodness, these colors, they're beautiful. I know I'm gonna get a lot of use out of them. I cannot wait to try these out. Beautiful. Glad I got it on the sale. So I also picked up by Patrick Ta bronze of a powder and a cream, and it's called She's Bronzed. And oh my goodness, I can't wait to try this. I love his blushes. They are so good and so pretty, so stunning. I absolutely love this. I cannot wait to give this a try. I have been using Smashbox, and I'm hitting pan on that one, so I thought what better time to try a new bronzer contour, and I can't wait to try it. So I also got some more, and this box got crushed. It has definitely seen better days, but this is the YSL. Oh my goodness, they're called Candy Glaze lipsticks, and doesn't that just sound divine? Candy Glaze lip gloss. Yes, please. In fact, I'll take 2. So this came in a 2-pack, which I feel like is definitely always more reasonable. So let's go ahead and see. This is shade 15, beautiful packaging. And shade 15 is just this gorgeous sort of nudie neutral color. Let's see what that looks like. Oh, it's butter. Definitely glossy. Definitely candy. So pretty. Should definitely be called Candy Gloss Lipstick. Why not? That is beautiful. And then I also got this one. This is number 2. This is just this really pretty creamy pink. Oh my goodness, that's going to be beautiful. Just stunning. It is so pretty. It is just candy glaze deliciousness right here. So glad I picked these up. This looks so pretty online. This is called Soul Search by Milk Makeup. And I thought, you know what? I'm obsessed with lip products this time. I don't know. They just came out with a bunch of really good ones, it looked like. And so I've been obsessed. Oh my goodness. The packaging is beautiful. And that color, yes, please. That looks creamy and delicious. Ooh. Oh my goodness. That is stunning. Oh, I'm happy with that one. Really glad I picked that one up. And I wish I had bought another shade. I may have to do that. So we're getting down. Again, I saw this and it looks so beautiful. This is the Sephora highlighter. This is in the Sparkling Honey shade 2. And our Tati said it was such a beautiful highlighter, and she has never steered me wrong when it came to makeup. And so, oh my word, I have a feeling this will not be any different. That is stunning. Ooh, okay, excited. That one was 30% off, so yay. All right, so next I know I'm obsessed, more lip products. This is by NARS. It's the Mini Afterglow Lip Balm Duo. I always feel like when you get these sets, you're getting more for your money. And then how often do you go through a lipstick? You know what I mean? So they don't have to be enormous. They can be the minis. Cute. All right, let's see what we got here. All right, so this one, it's called Dolce Vita, and they are just like balmy and not a lot of color, but I'm fine with that because that's what I signed up for. These are balms, and that is a beautiful color. And then this one, Orgasm. What's with the naming? Come on. I think in this case, I'd rather the number. Seriously. All right, so those are the 2 balms. They're subtle but beautiful. I can't wait to try these out. So next I got myself a refill of my Estee Lauder Double Wear. This is the only foundation I use. I have tried so many luxury foundations. I have gone through them all. I have tested them all, and I always come back to this one. This is a tried and true for me. It's beautiful. It looks natural, but it has coverage, and it's a long wear for sure. And it's just my favorite. And this is what I've been using, and you probably can't tell, but I have hardly anything left. So it was perfect timing to repurchase this one. And again, glad I was able to pick that up on the sale. So with that, I also picked up a Double Wear pump just because over time, this gets kind of gunky and plugged and kind of nasty. So I try to use this as much as I can, but then after a while, I just need to replace it. And so I picked one of those up as well. Last item in this bag, and we'll move on to that one. This is the Dior Addict. This is so pretty. I saw it in the store and was like, yes, please. So this is the Hollow Lavender, and let's go ahead and see. Oh, wow, their packaging is so stunning. 99.9% of the time think I just buy it for the packaging, but the products are so good. It's a win-win, to be quite honest. So let's go ahead and see what this one looks like. It's definitely a thin applicator, and then it does have some glitter in there. So if glitter's not your thing, this may not be for you, but this is, oh wow, it's really pretty, really shiny, really glossy, really, really, really nice. I'm happy with that one. It's so pretty. So now we're moving on to the second bag. And here I picked up the Shiseido. This is the sunscreen. It's a broad spectrum SPF 50. And I've heard so many wonderful things about it that I thought I would give it a try. It's packaged so beautifully. So here we have that. And I'm huge into sunscreen and protecting my skin, and so I want a good one. And the reviews, I've heard a lot of people recommend this and say this is stunning, so I'm gonna give it a try. Next, I picked up this Laton Set. This is such good value for money and a good way to try out some products without buying the full size. Then I also picked up this one, and that's because I know for a fact I love their hand lotions. They're so good. They're thick, but yet they absorb really nicely. Good lotions. And so I went ahead and picked those up on the sale, and I do like the variety of different ones. So for me, this was a no-brainer. So I absolutely love the Clinique Take the Day Off wipes. These are so convenient, especially if you wear waterproof mascara. And we are headed to Disney World, and I will be wearing waterproof mascara. And so I picked this up so that I would be able to get that off my eyes at the end of the day without pulling and tugging. And these work like a dream. So I'm really glad that I went ahead and picked these up as well, because I know I'll get lots of use out of these. And next I picked up these Touchland hand sanitizers. I think they smell amazing. They're super light and they're not sticky at all, which I personally really appreciate. These are some scents I've never tried. I really like the watermelon. It's really fresh and clean smelling. And so I thought, what better time than during the sale. So this is the Appalicious one. Love the color. And oh, it is so clean and fresh. That's a winner. And then I also have this Vanilla Blossom. Let's see. I guess I'll spray this on this hand. Running out of hands. Oh, that's good. That's very nice. It's very fresh. I do like that one too. And then the last one in the Touchland hand sanitizers is the Rainwater. I guess I'll just spray it here. Also fresh. I like all of them. So I'm very excited that they all were a win. And we're at the end. We emptied out those 2 bags. We did some damage at Sephora. I got some items that I really needed, and I got some items that I didn't need, but I wanted so badly. And I'm really thrilled with this haul. I feel like I got all the things. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like it and please subscribe. I'd love it so much if you did. Until next time, bye guys.